All right, working on the BMW X5 now. You can see this one's got pretty deep damage. I'm going to hit this with the 50 grit disc first, and we'll go over that with the red conditioning disc, and then we'll sand it up and paint it. While I'm getting this set up, if you wouldn't mind hitting that subscribe button, we'll get going on this shortly. There's also going to be links down below in the description to the tools and products I use or recommend for repairing wheels. Let's get the tire shine wiped off this before we start, and we'll start grinding on it. I'm using the 60 grit. I bought a bag of 60 grits instead of the 50 grits. They work fine too. Either way, it's good. Sometimes when you slip, it'll go down here in this little area. I'm not going to hit that anymore with the 60 grit. I'm going to take care of that with the conditioning disc. There's some more damage here at the bottom. And a chunk here on the side. This one's not very long, but it does have to be reformed because it went deep back in here. So just to get the grinder in there, kind of re-round that wheel right there. I'm going to switch it over to the red conditioning disc. I'm working right underneath my compressor right now, so it's really loud in my ears. Let me get that spot where I slipped with the grinder with the 60 grit. All right. Now we're going to use the 320 to sand out the grinder marks and finish reshaping the wheel. with sandpaper. Still using 320, just a fresh sheet. Alright, now I'm going to scuff everywhere I just sanded. And this is, I believe it's like a 1500 grit scuff pad. Let's get this wiped down, and we're going to paint this one with Sonic Silver. We'll lay down the clear coat and head over to the next wheel.